Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the transportation in plants, under that water plant relation. So this water plant, how these water and plants are related. So first, the plant obtain the variety of substance like water, minerals, nutrient, food, gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide from the surroundings. So plant absorb mainly the water and minerals. So productivity in plant is mainly affected by non availability of the plant. इफ़ प्लांट को वाटर नहीं अवेलेबल है तो प्लांट का ग्रोथ नहीं हो सकता है. सो वी नीड or the main ingredient which is enough for the plant to grow is the water. So that's why the water is considered as the elixir of life. Elixir is nothing but it is a magic or medicine of that life. So water constitute almost 90 to 95% in many of the plant cells and tissues. This water help to and also this water helps the plant cell to maintain a particular shape and turgidity. So coming for the function and properties of the water. So already you know the formula of the chemical formula of the water is H2O, which consists of hydrogen and oxygen. So these dissolve water together with dissolved nutrients is absorbed or present inside the soil, which get absorbed with the which is used for the plants, and also nutrients or which is present in the soil. This water also have give turgor pressure of the plant cell, and it is an internal component which mainly useful for the photosynthesis. That is nothing but photosynthesis के लिए main substrate which is enough for the complete processor of photosynthesis is water. So water serves as a universal solvent. So you already know it is a universal solvent. Next, very important for the soil formation also. Next, coming for the plant cells and consist of about 80 to 90% of fresh weight of herbivorous प्लांट्स का अंदर 80 to 90% रहता है. वेर इट इज़ एन वुडी प्लांट इट इज़ ओवर ऑफ 50% ऑफ वाटर कंटेंट इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द plant. Next, coming for the water absorbing organs, from which part of the plant root so water is absorbed. So from which part of the plant the water is absorbed, बोले तो water is absorbed with the help of the roots. So under that root also, the root is also divided into 4 regions. So in which region the water get absorbed is we are learning today. So let us see the root. Root is the main organ of the water, main organ of for water and mineral absorption. The plant absorbs water in the form of liquid from the soil. However, some epiphytic plants like orchid plant which absorbs the water in the form of vapor. These epiphytic plants grow on a longer plant where it takes the water or absorbs the water in the form of a vapor, and that particular tissue is developed inside that plant, and that particular tissue is called as the velamen tissue. So this velamen tissue which is present in the epiphytic plant absorbs the water. So coming for the typical roots, how the root is divided. The root is divided into 4 regions. First region is a root cap region. The next region is a region of meristematic activity or meristematic cells. Third region is a region of elongation, and fourth one is a region of maturation. So coming for the region of root cap region, in this region it only protects the it protects the growth tip of the root, and it also secretes a mucilagine yeast to movement of the root. Next, the region of meristematic cell. In this region of meristematic cell, the meristematic cell starts to divide to increase in length. Next, the region of the elongation. This region of elongation, in this region the meristematic cells which are divided, it gets increased in the length, and that is nothing but region of elongation of the root. Next, the region of maturation. So this region of maturation is very important because already we have seen the root cap, meristematic region and region of elongation. In these three region there is no absorption of water taken place, but in the region of the maturation the water absorption takes place because the roots and small root hair starts to develop in this particular region of maturation. So the root starts to absorb the water. Next, coming for the structure of root hair. So each root hair may be approximately 1 to 10 mm long and tube-like structure. It will be always a colorless, unbranched, short-lived, and it has a large central vacuole surrounded by a thin film of cytoplasm and plasma membrane also, and thin cell wall which is of two layered. So this two layered cell wall is, outer layer is made up of pectin and inner layer is made up of cellulose, and this cell wall which is present is easily permeable, but the plasma membrane is a selectively permeable. Now let us see the water availability to the roots for absorption. So यहाँ पे the plant absorb water from rhizosphere. So rhizosphere is nothing but the zone of a soil surrounding of a plant root. The plant root is deposited in the zone of the soil. Next, the water present in the soil occurs as a, so three types of water capacity you can see: gravitational water, hygroscopic water and combined water. But the plant only is able to take the capillary water. So let us see the definitions of gravitational water. Gravitational water is nothing but the water percolates deep due to the gravity. Simply we can say the free water moving through the soil by force of gravity. Gravity का वजह से होता है, तो that type of water is called as gravitational water. Hygroscopic water is nothing but fine soil particles absorb water and hold it. It just hold the water. This water is also not absorbed by the roots. Next, coming for the combined water. The combined water is nothing but the water present in the form of hydrated oxide like silicon, aluminum, and this water is also not available or not used for the absorption of the plant. And the last one coming for the capillary water, which is a very useful and it is absorbed by the plants. Some amount of water is held in the pores present between neighboring soil particles due to capillary action. So due to capillary action का वजह से क्या होता है, water particles are present or held in the pores between the neighboring cell. इसका वजह से क्या होता है, the plant tries to absorb the water. So capillary water is absorbed by the plants. Thank you.